Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Alan here with the Contractor License School, and I'm excited to talk to all my peeps here in Texas, and I thank God for all you guys. And one of the things I wanted to talk to you about is a turnkey construction company. You know, one of the largest industries in America is construction, and there's a lot of building going on, as you can see. I was just down in Dallas with Robert Kiyosaki and Ken McElroy about 3 weeks ago at a training seminar. It was awesome, all about real estate. And so I know that you're most likely want to get into real estate, get into the construction game, the flip game. Well, we're here to help you with that. So how that works is we want to offer you a turnkey construction company. What does that mean? We're going to set up the entity for you. You don't have to worry about a thing. We make it simple. You don't have to wake up at night thinking, is this going to get done? It's going to get done, right? We're going to also get you your GC credentials. That's going to be easy. There's no test to pass. We're going to make sure we get you set up with that. We're going to also set up that business license in your area so that you can begin to go to work. You do have to have a license to do work in whichever city that you're going to do work in. So we're going to help you with that. And check out this thing. This is really cool. Now, before I show it to you, I want you to know that there are 57,000 open positions for what I'm about to show you right now in America. 57,000. That's crazy. The skills in this particular area, if you master this, are going to open the doors for you to do so much construction, so much work, so many things. It's going to blow your mind. And you're going to get a great certification with this. Now, here it is. This is a construction project management certification course, and you're going to go through that at your own pace. You're going to take the little quizzes. You're going to answer those. This you don't have to complete in order to get the construction company going, but once you get this certification, it's just another added layer of goodness that you're placing on all of your jobs that you bid. When your client sees that certification, they see your GC credentials, man, you're going to be the cat's meow. They're going to hire you. And the fact that we set up everything turnkey so you don't have to worry about a thing, we make it so simple, so easy. You just pay the money, we get it done for you, and then boom, you get rocking and rolling, making money. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage you. Not only that, you're going to get this book that coincides with that if you want to read it, but you can just do the workbook and answer the test questions in there and then get your certification. So again, last thing, I want to close up with this because I want you guys to get going. Let's get you going for the new year. January is coming up. You want to get your construction company going. Now think about this. November and December is usually pretty slow, but a lot of people are going to be buying kitchen remodels, master bath remodels, and room additions for Christmas for their loved one. You don't want to miss out on that windfall of revenue. Let's get you going and get you rolling, right? So in this turnkey program, again, the last four things. One, we're going to get your GC credentials. Number two, we're going to get you construction project management certification course, which there are 57,000 open positions currently in America. And if you have that, it opens doors to also other things like managing other construction companies. Three, we're going to get that business license. And finally, number four, we're going to get the best entity set up for you that's going to give you the biggest tax breaks, because let's face it, let me ask you this question. Think about this. Do you want to pay more in taxes or do you want to pay less in taxes? The way we set you up, we're going to guide you so you pay less in taxes. I want you to pay less so you can make more money and put it on your bank account and go on some nice, cool vacations, treat your family to some things, and just, live your life. So, hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alan. I can't wait to hear back from you. Give us a call. We're going to have some information there at the end of this video. Take a look at the description. Reach out to us. Let's get you going right now. If you want to know immediately, either give us a call from our number and or fill out the form below. We look forward to helping you out. My name's Alan. We'll talk to you soon. God bless y'all. Bye.